necessary to replace the spark plug focus. It can be seen visually. In fact, it's very clear when you remove it. Normally, when I go to the car repair shop, I look at the spark plug and say it's yellow. It can be replaced. Actually, it doesn't have to be changed. The working principle of the spark plug is to discharge through this small tip. Because there is a gap in the middle, after high voltage discharge, it contacts the upper electrode. An electric spark will be generated at this position. Ignite the mixed elevator by electric spark. If the electrode is burned, the discharge will not be so smooth, so the car will shake. And the spark plug in my hand, the current electrode, there is no problem to continue using the. As long as the spark plug is used, there will be some burn marks on it, which is normal, so you can follow this standard and look at the D.